In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your Google Calendar. Adding images to your calendar events is a great way to personalize your schedule, visually categorize your events, or simply make your calendar more engaging. Let's dive right into the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. You can do this by entering the Google Calendar URL in your browser or by using the app if you're on a mobile device. Once you're on your calendar, the real fun begins. The next step is to create a new event or open an existing one where you'd like to add an image. If you're creating a brand new event, look for the Create button, which is usually indicated by a plus sign. Click on it and you'll start the process of setting up your event. If you're updating an existing event, simply find it on your calendar and click it to open. For those of you creating a new event, you'll want to click on More Options once you've named your event. This will expand the event details, giving you more control and flexibility over the settings and features of your event. Now, about locating that crucial description box, it's your gateway to adding attachments. You'll typically find this under the main event details. With the description box open, look for the Add a Google Drive attachment icon. It's usually represented by a small paperclip or similar symbol designed for attaching files. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will prompt your Google Drive to open, displaying your available files. Now it's time to choose your desired image from Google Drive. Take a moment to locate the image you'd like to attach. Once you find it, simply click on it. The image should then be highlighted, indicating it's ready to be attached to your event. Adding images can really enhance the visual appeal of your calendar, making it easier for you to differentiate between events at a glance. After selecting your image, the next step is to click on Save. This is an important step, so make sure you don't skip it. You'll usually find the Save button at the top of the event details area. Once you've clicked it, your changes will be saved and your image is officially part of your calendar event. And there you have it. Your personalized, image-enhanced calendar event is ready to go. By following these steps, you can effortlessly add some visual flair to your Google Calendar. Thanks for joining and happy scheduling.